Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to quickly share this project with you that I did. They are pocket tags or tag pockets or whatever you want to call them. And I put a little, I did them in different sizes and shapes and patterns. And I also added a little piece of my own, and I just put a little jump ring on it with Made with Love, a little charm that dangles from it. So I just wanted to add that. There's several pieces that you can add to that, but first I'll show you how I created these. So I wanted to use my 6x6 paper, and so this one I just did the 6x6, folded in half, and then I just used my my fancy cutting scissors and just trimmed around the outside. And so that was that, and that's the tag inside. I took my butterfly die cut and put a green one underneath and then this one on top, and then you can see that it's layered there, and of course with the bling and the ribbon. I think that's so cute. I'm doing these for a little group that I'm in that I have to send off 3 of them, and I'm not really good at embellishing and doing layers, so this is pretty much how I like to do stuff, but I'm trying to get into doing a little bit more layers. So before I probably would never have added these flowers or the butterflies and that, so this is big for me, baby steps I guess. So then I just changed it and cut a piece out of my 6x6 that had the print already on it, and again added that to it just as my own little touch with a little flower that I got at the dollar store. And then I did the same, so these are removable. This one was a die cut, and I put a piece of vellum on the back side of it and then glued it down to the back. That way the tag wouldn't you know, get stuck in between the holes of that piece. So, and that's that. And then this one, same thing. So this one I did a little hole punch. I wish I would have used a bigger hole punch to make it a little wider, or maybe not so deep, but still turned out pretty cute. This little flower embellishment and my little charm. And so that's those. But yeah, so that's my project that I worked on today. Let me know what you think. If you'd like to see a video on how I created these, just let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.